Hey everyone, okay, so new product alert. There is a brand new skincare company out there, I know. Anyway, so this company is called Tursian, and it is a brand new skincare brand. You probably haven't heard of it. I hadn't heard of it until about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I'm here to share it. You know when there's such a thing as a coincidence, right? So during 1 week, 3 different people, all within the kind of beauty skincare industry, all people I love by the way, said to me, have you heard of this new skincare brand? And I'm like, nope. But when it happened 3 times in a row during that week, I knew I had to try it, so I did. And I purchased a couple of the products. I'm gonna purchase some more, you'll see why in a minute. And I wanted to just share and talk about it because it's pretty special. Now, Tursian products are powered by, listen to this, 332 high performance concentration active ingredients. Yes, that's a lot of actives here. And that I think is the whole point of this range. That is kind of guided by clinical evidence and not your usual absolute nonsense marketing claims. This brand to me is about better aging. It feels high end, by the way. It is high end, just so you know. It's kind of like technology meets science meets a little bit of magic, and you'll understand why I say that in a second. So as I mentioned, the formulas are very active, which is something for you to keep in mind because I'm assuming, but they clearly prioritize clinically proven ingredients at the highest allowable concentrations. I've done some reading for this, for long-term results, not that kind of fancy in the moment ingredients, which we see all over the place. You know the ones, that famous flower in the Himalayas, it's up high. There's only like one in the world. So why have you made 1 million bottles? But the thing with the actives is, and I've always felt this, more actives, more results, which is the whole purpose of us applying skincare to begin with, because we want results. Now, from what I can gather, Tursian aren't chasing trends. They're not trying to do any of that nonsense. I think from reading the blurb and also trying the products, they're kind of redefining the standards of what skincare really is. So let me talk to you about the 2 products I got because I've just got some more, but we'll talk about the 2. Now, full disclaimer here, what I did was take a before and after photo. So 14 days in between 2 weeks, and that was important for me. The reason it's important is because my skincare is pretty heavy duty. I use a prescription strength retinoid at quite a high strength. So it takes a lot for me to see, anything with my skin. So that's why I took a before and after photo. I've tried my best to get the best lighting possible. It's not always 100% because it's different times of day and sometimes there's sun here in the UK and most of the time there's not. I've done my best, but you'll see as we go along. So let's start the products. So first up, Y3, which is a Youth Restore Serum Concentrate. I love a serum, I really do. 90.2% active formula. You heard that right. 9+ youth supporting peptides here. Now, collagen, peptides, gorgeous things. There's a lot to talk about, but the thing is, I don't always understand a lot of the science, so there's no point me really going into detail about it. And also, I can't pronounce most of the names either, and I just look simple. And I use this analogy a lot, but it's important to make because it's very accurate. I drive a car. I do not really know how the engine works, but I can still benefit from the car. So even though I don't always understand the sciencey bits, I can still benefit from the product. So this serum is water-based and it has 9+ collagen supporting peptides, which I've just mentioned, and these can penetrate deeply into the skin. So they target fine lines, wrinkles, loss of elasticity. I always struggle with that word, elasticity. Now, when you apply this, it feels luxurious. There's no doubt, I said it's high end. It feels that way. There is magic here. This is where the magic happens. So as you're applying this product, you get this instant rush of hydration on the skin. Your skin looks plumper, it looks better, it looks more glorious. Yes, yes, yes. But as you start to work this product into the skin, this is where that touch of magic happens. Because as it starts to absorb in the skin, within a few minutes or so, it's like it was never there. Everything has gone in the skin, but then there is this very, very bizarre and beautiful blurring thing that happens to the skin, where the skin looks blurred. That's the only way I can describe it. There is a blurring effect. Now, today I actually reached out to ask the question whether there are any blurring agents in this product, because it is quite bizarre and beautiful, because you do look, well, blurred. And it is a beautiful thing, because who doesn't want to look a little bit airbrushed? Oh, by the way, this also sits really, really nicely under your makeup. So there's no pilling, no caking, none of that stuff. Now, as you can see, before and after photo, I know, beautiful, aren't I? So you can see that the skin, at least I think the skin looks brighter. The pores look different. To me, they look pretty different, which I'm really, really pleased with. Remember, this is only 14 days and I use this twice a day. Next up, R31. Now, this is the Eye Contour Brightening Gel. Ready for this? Listen to this. 75% active formula. Yeah. Formulated with 26 clinically active ingredients. It's like a stacked formula of basically advanced, gorgeous peptides, plus, here we go again, a whole host of things that I just cannot even pronounce. So I'm not going to, because you're just gonna laugh. But for the eye area, we're talking here brightening, depuffing, firming, wrinkles, you know, the whole shebang. This does. So, ready for this? This is my before and after picture. Remember, 14 days of use here, twice a day, morning and night. I did not miss a single day or night. You can see that there is a difference with the eye area. The wrinkling area is softer, there is no doubt. But it's when I tilt my head down that I think you can see the biggest difference. There is a difference here. 14 days, people, 14 days. It's good, right? That's good. That's good. Remember, I'm a prescription strength retinoid user. This is good. It's good. It's a lot, right? That's a lot. And I was surprised by this, because I didn't think that I would actually see a visible change. Because again, when you're kind of hardcore with your skincare, you don't really expect to see too much of anything. So pretty surprised to say the least. So there you have it. So what I've done is I've ordered more products, and that way I'm going to build a bit of a routine and actually see if it takes me anywhere else than I already am in my skincare journey, and or can I improve upon what has already happened. So stay tuned. So there you are, new product alert. See what you think. I'll leave all the information, everything in the description bar. It's I'm impressed anyway, and that's really all that matters, because you've only got to impress yourself, haven't you? Tursian. Never heard of it until recently. Let's give it a full face blast. Let's see where it takes us. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. All the information, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.